Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of my oil painting series. In my previous video, you have seen how I painted the sky. If you haven't watched it yet, link is in the description. If you are interested to watch more of my oil painting tutorials, please do subscribe to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to paint the mountains. I am going to use a synthetic flat brush of size 8, linseed oil as a solvent, and I am going to mix equal parts of turpentine, which helps the paint to dry faster. So let's begin. I have completed painting the sky. Now let's choose the colors we need to paint the mountains. You can see the major color is black. Also, we need dark brown and grey for the shadows. And for the bright parts of the mountain, you need scarlet lake, crimson lake for mixing dark brown. And in the shadows, we can see a little bit of dark green. So we are going to need lemon yellow and Persian blue. So I'm going to start painting. Usually in oil painting there are layers of paint. The first layer is called blocking, where we are trying to cover every part of the canvas board with paint. The initial layer is going to be a thin layer of paint where we are going to apply the mid-tones in a particular area. It is the color between the brightest and the darkest of colors. So what I am doing is trying to locate the areas of light and areas of shadows as I go through the painting. This is not going to be a final layer of paint, as we need to give further detailing after this blocking layer dries up. As you can see, there are a variety of colors. You can see black, dark brown, grey colors of different shades, bright orange color. As I apply the paint on the canvas board, I am also going to blend these colors together and also going to locate the objects in each part of the canvas board as I paint. In these shadow areas of the mountain, I have used a combination of Persian blue and grey. I am going to blend these colors to get a smooth gradient. Now, in these bright parts of the mountains, there are a bit more of detailing, like the shadows on the rocky surfaces, the slopes of the mountain, which I am going to paint with a thinner round brush of size 0. We haven't given the detailing of the snow covered over the mountains yet, since the paint has to dry before we can add titanium white. So now I have completed the blocking layer of the mountains. I am going to show you the rest of the painting in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned. If you found this video useful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Until then, keep painting and make the world around you colorful. Magic is in your hands.